Hey guys, it's Payel here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you the lipstick swatch of this. I think how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lipsticks. Basically 5. One actually I did not do. So if you want to see all the swatches of this lipsticks, which includes nudes and bold colors also, then keep on watching. So the first shade I am going to choose is from CHAMBOR and it's number 169 in the shade Saddle Brown. So it's a very beautiful orangey brown, like warm toned brown. It's like you can say it's a nude also, like if you have little bit of deeper skin than me, then it will serve it as a nude also. It's a very beautiful orangey brown color, and these are all. This CHAMBOR lipstick is this is a powder matte lipstick, so when you apply it, it is quite creamy. The more it dries up, it becomes powdery and matte also. So this is how the lipstick looks. It's a very beautiful lipstick, and yeah, I don't know, today somehow I'm very happy, and so I thought of making a video with lipstick swatches because I was so excited I could not talk. And listen, today also I have completed my 100 videos. So this is my 101 video. So yeah, this is a good celebration for me. Finishing 100 videos is not an easy thing, and I finished it. Really, I'm happy for that. And yeah, don't forget to check out my other videos. Moving on, next I'm going to take one more CHAMBOR lipstick. This is also a powder matte lipstick, and this is the lipstick in the number 164 Indian Fusion. This is a very basic brown lipstick. Is kind of it's not orangey, it's a brown, like chocolatey brown. It's a very beautiful color and quite bold, and yeah, this lipstick is creamy for some time, and after some time it becomes totally matte. And in today's video I have shown you like 4 CHAMBOR lipsticks and 1 lipstick from Maybelline SUPERSTAY Matte Ink. All the lipsticks are matte lipsticks. So this is how this brown looks. It's a very beautiful brown. All the shades are like, I can pick up any of the colors and wear anytime. These are like that. I don't have to think. Yeah, at the end there is a bold color. Other than that, all the 4 nude lipsticks that I am wearing, I can wear them anytime. This lipstick does not transfer, as you can see. If I try to pick up with my fingers, it does not transfer. It dries up and becomes a very beautiful lipstick. So next I am going to clean this lipstick using a makeup wipe, and put a little bit of foundation on the areas near my lipsticks. I always do whenever I do a lipstick swatch video. I thought of letting you guys know. This way I don't disturb the foundation near my lips. So the next lipstick I'm going to take, this is also from CHAMBOR Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick. It is in the shade 481. It's a very beautiful nude. Like, I think out of all the lipsticks I have worn today, this is the most nude lipstick. This is a very beautiful nude lipsticks Like today I'm wearing a very bold, purple, a lot of colors, and there are a lot of makeup I'm wearing. Along with this lipstick goes very good with this kind of makeup. Sometimes maybe for this kind of lipstick you need a lip liner to line, like a plum lip liner you need slightly to line your lips. But if you are comfortable with this nudish kind of lips, you don't need lip liner, you can go for it. As you can see, I'm feeling a little bit extra. Today I washed my hair and I turned on the fan and they were blowing they were flowing with the air. I was so happy, and I thought, okay, if I do a chatty video then I have to turn off the fan. So I decided to do a lipstick swatch video, and yeah, I bought a couple of lipsticks and wanted to show you. So here I'm trying to show you the number of the lipsticks is 481. Here I'm trying to show you, this is also a transfer proof lipstick, and yeah, you can see it becomes totally matte. Next lipstick that I'm going to show you is also from CHAMBOR Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick. So this is in the shade 483. It's also a very beautiful lipstick, and yeah, you have seen this lipstick wearing earlier also. I have used this lipstick for my sister's makeup. When I did the makeup transformation for my sister, that video, she was wearing this lipstick only. And this is a quite bold brick brown, like brick red brown, I don't know what is the color, like it's a very beautiful bold lipstick, and you don't need a lip liner or anything like that. It looks very beautiful, and yeah, you can have dinner and all this, dinner snacks, anything you can eat. It is not going to transfer at all. It's looking so beautiful. And nowadays I like to wear more matte lipsticks than cream lipsticks, because I feel like whenever I wear a cream lipstick, it gets transferred to my chin area. So I try to avoid a cream lipstick. Mostly I wear a matte lipstick. Here I am trying to show you the lipstick number. It is 483. The next and the last lipstick is from Maybelline. This is the most bold lipstick, most dark lipstick. I think I have shown this in one of my haul also. This is the Maybelline Superstay Master Ink in the shade 40 Believer. So this is the last lipstick I'm wearing. Actually I thought of wearing one more lipstick, but this lipstick is it stains your lips and it stays for a long time. Like I'm here showing how to wear this, and it has a very pointed applicator also. With that you can make a very sharp edge also, right? You can see you don't need a lip liner, and it is not at all patchy. It applies evenly on your lips, but make sure to exfoliate your lips so that you don't have any cracked lips. It is not going to apply nicely on a cracked lip, so make sure to clean your lips before applying this. But once you apply this, it is not so easy to remove this. So I think this goes with the eye makeup also. I'm wearing a purple dress, not a purple, you can say violet, yeah, violet light purple dress, and eye makeup also I got inspired from that dress. and this lipstick is like matching to means similar shade of my eye makeup and dress. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below how do you like my eye makeup for today. I was so glad like you guys have said like yesterday's eye makeup was so nice, so I got inspired more and I thought okay, today also I'll make a very nice eye makeup because you guys inspired me so much yesterday. So I thought okay, let me make a good eye makeup. Let me know in the comment section below how do you feel about this eye makeup, and if you want a tutorial for this eye makeup, I have used the Jaclyn Hill palette. Here I am showing you, see this lipstick you cannot remove using a wet makeup wipe. See, I'm trying and it is not at all moving. And one more thing, like this the lips get stuck while you do like this, so this is kind of embarrassing for me. But yeah, the stain is so nice, you cannot get rid of the stain without an oil. So that's all for today's video. These are the 5 lipsticks. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know your thoughts. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.